Before going to start a video, I will introduce myself. I am Pratik Krishnarao Bosle. In second year, Mechatronics Department, Rajaram Institute, Islampur. So start presentation. So I am first fully analysis about pressure vessel. With what is a pressure vessel? A pressure vessel is a container designed used to hold gas or liquid at a pressure different from the ambient pressure. Hold the gas hold the gas or liquid at a pressure substantially different from the present different from the pressure. Construct method and material may be chosen to suit the pressure application and will depend on the size wheel and content number of items required. So next is types of a pressure vessel. In basically two parts of pressure vessels. First is a thin welded. The thin welded diameter is 10 times or more than thickness of a wall, and next is the thick weld. This is diameter is less than 10 times thickness of a wall. Uh, in manufacturing process, first is selection process. Which material is used? So in this pressure vessel, material is used in steel, aluminum, other metals, carbon fibers, polymers, etc. This is examples of pressure vessel. Pressure vessel example: diving cylinder or scuba. This is scuba tank. LPG tank. This is LPG tank, and tankers. This is all manufacturing process pressure vessel. First is a forming, second pressing, spinning, bending, welding, post-weld heat treatment, PWHT, assembly, and painting. First is forming. In this process, by which size, shape, part is changed by application of force. First is a hot forming. Hot forming means fabrication temperature is above the recrystallization temperature. Means recrystallization temperature of the material. Next is a warm forming. Fabrication temperature is above room temperature, but it recrystallization temperature of the material. And last is a cold forming. Cold forming means fabrication of temperature is a very much below the recrystallization temperature of the material. This is recrystallization. In this process, by which deformed grains and replaced by new underformed grains. Recrystallization temperature. The minimum temperature at which complete recrystallization occurs. This requires the temperature at which the complete process. This is a pressing. This is a pressing machine. A process wherein pressing machine is used to shape the part of needed. So part of needed which required metal uh, pressing in this machine used shape size required as well as many shapes are placed. Next is spinning. In this process used to shape end of the pressure vessels which called is a head. After pressing the material is loaded into the spinning machine. While spinning the material is formed using adjustable roller uses and until final shape of the achieved and final shape is achieved. Next is a bending. This is a bending machine. In this process, which curves a material to desired radius. Required radius uses the binding the machines. Also called is rolling. This is called rolling machine. Next is a welding. In this pressure vessel manufacturing process, most important is the welding. In process by which two or more materials are joined permanently by melting both materials for a desired purpose. This is welding process of a pressure vessel. Uh, Post weld heat treatment (PWTH). Uh, Second last process, improving the properties of the weld made. Use of furnace to heat the product. Is checking for a furnace to heat, improving the properties. This is assembly. This is a pressure vessel. Example, process of joining the part of the pressure vessel. And thank you.